Hello and welcome back to my channel. It has been a little while. I'm in a slightly different setup today. As you can tell, I am at work at the Four Seasons Collective studio. Today we are doing an unboxing of my new bikes. I got two identical bikes for the cyclocross season. My first time ever having brand new cyclocross bikes. I'm itching to get on them and start trying them out, so I wanted to do an unboxing just so we can see together what they are like. It's the wrong end! Oh my goodness! Nailed it. Here we have it, straight from the box. This is the Vitus Energie cyclocross bike. So let's get all this off. So this is how the bike is looking. Obviously it doesn't have any pedals with it. Well, it's got flat pedals, but I am not a flat pedal rider, so I think the flat pedals are going to be staying in their box. But it comes fully cabled up and everything. It has got internal cable routing, which is very exciting. It is hydraulic disc brakes. It is a 1x, which I love a 1x for a cyclocross. It's all I rode last season. I would never need a double 2x for cyclocross. I don't use that many gears when I'm in a 45-minute race, so a 1x is absolutely perfect. It is SRAM rival. I've only been riding for a year. I have ridden Shimano since I got started in cycling, and I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit skeptical about moving over to SRAM. I've heard some things about it being a bit clunky, but I am fully open to trying it, and I think it'll be okay because it is a 1x, so there's only one side of gearing that you need to remember. It's got, I think these are gravel tyres that it's on at the moment. Are they? Don't know. It comes with WTB wheels. I am still getting to grips with understanding what is a good wheel set and what isn't quite as good. It's a really nice weight. It's not too heavy. When I put some different wheels in, it should be even lighter. The bars are a 44 as far as I'm aware, which is totally fine. That's absolutely okay with me. I'm a big tall gal, so 44s are okay. I'd ideally like 42s, so I think I might switch to 42s, but I think 44s will be okay at the moment. It's got a 100mm stem. Obviously it's a beautiful blue colour. I mean, this colour is incredible. So it is an 1132 on the back, and it's got a 40 chainring on the front. I will be putting on some Crank Brothers candy pedals because they are a perfect mix between SPDs and egg beaters. So I'm going to be putting on some candies. It's a 56. So this is technically a large frame. My road bike is a 54, so it is going to feel a little bit different, but for jumping on and off and carrying my bike, having a slightly bigger frame is ideal. So I think it'll go pretty well, to be honest. Like, the clearance on this is absolutely unreal, and I'm so excited to ride disc. My road bike is a disc as well. It's a Vitus, which you will maybe already have seen if you watched my other videos. I know how much having disc on a bike has affected the way that I ride. There's routing here, so if you want to put a front mech on and make it a double or a 2x, but if you want to put a front mech on, then you've got a little tube there. It comes with a standard Vitus saddle on it. Personally, I don't really get on with them very well. I ride the Live Forward saddles, which are similar, like skinny nose, but they've got more of a trench in the middle. So I will swap that off as well and whack a carbon seat post in. It's a carbon frame. All I'm going to do when I go home tonight is put my bars on, and I need to order some more pedals. Here we go. Alright. Flat pedals. Multi-tool. Oh, these are an absolute lifesaver for disc brakes. I think this is stuff for going into the brakes. Don't know. Funny balloon stuff. Oh, that's paint. That's funny. Paint for the frame. And that is pretty much my new cross bike. So I've got 2 of these babies and I am so excited to start riding it. I can't wait to see how it goes. It's exciting. If you want to keep up to date with all of my riding and cyclocross endeavours, I do have a Twitter, Instagram and Facebook page on all those platforms, so I'll leave the links just down in the description. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm only on my 2nd season. I've still got so much to learn about cycling. Yeah, just loving the process of everything, and I'm really excited to, you know, see how things go. Got another race coming up in a couple of weeks, but that's a crit race, so I'm gonna make a little video about that. Hope you enjoyed this, and hopefully I will see you in my next video.